amazing.
pretty lady.
You look trim and amazing.
We try to be as healthy as possible. We don't know your recipes, you know.
We have coolers.
Yes, but
Oh
that's
no, I see why they would shop.
Oh, go to buy when I saw your I was like, oh, that's it. Oh, that's it. This is dream come true.
You guys, listen. Yeah. I told people that my children have water bottles that they've used for 4-5 years. And they were like, oh, recently I shared a video about how someone bullied my daughter and broke her water bottle. This was the water bottle. I've had my children Stanley for like forever. And when I saw her page on Instagram, I knew that, no, I had to patronize her because these things do last a long time.
Oh, yeah.
These bottles, when people say, we buy bottle 60 pounds. This is the type of bottle. And you buy it once. Except someone smashes it, and even the smashed one is still usable. But my daughter has teeth, okay? She has composure. So
like her mom.
She has done well in school, so I want to give her something. This is something that your children will enjoy, they will value, and most importantly, they will use till they are tired. I'm sure you have warranty now. You have.
Stanley has a 25 years warranty. Covers the temperature retention, hot or cold.
See yourself.
If it is not working, bring it back with your receipt. We'll give you a brand new flask, irrespective of how long you have used it. If you've used it for 2 months, for 2 years, for 20 years, feel free to bring it back with your receipt. A warranty is guaranteed. That's a guaranteed warranty.
Did you hear
know
that?
What? The warranty is free, even if you bought at 5,000 and current price is 50,000. You know what the Naira exchange rate is? You get a new one for free, absolutely free.
I'm so happy to see you. You look amazing.
Yeah.
So that is a babe.
Good to see you. Good to have you here. It's never
She's
enough.
so supportive of other businesses.
It's never enough.
She gave me a gift that I'm enjoying.
Remember?
I'm enjoying my gift, and I said, no, I have to come here. You have options for days. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, we do.
What?
It's a full Stanley store.
It's a full Stanley store.
It's a full Stanley store for so much varieties we made.
Oh my god!
And when you buy one for your child, you don't have to buy another one. For your food flask, one, and you are sure up to secondary school, except they outgrow the size, that you might need to buy a bigger size.
This is amazing. I love it. Oh wow! You even have accessories for all those Gen Z.
All those Gen Z stuff. You have to follow
bodies.
the trend though, so that you know we don't lose the customers.
And the prices are affordable. Listen, you know what you see. You don't want to know the price of these things in dollars.
That is it.
Listen, this is value. This is value. I mean, these quenchers, you know how much they are. Okay? If you people that always go abroad, you know these things. So she's giving you value, she's offering you warranty, she's offering you all that for this price. I'm here doing the dollar conversion. I'm just here imagining myself in a Stanley store abroad. And it's the same quality, the same perfection. There's no excuse. Original.
Original.
People should not mess this up. Don't mess this opportunity. Can you imagine? Are you kidding me right now? Right now with dollar $1,650. So I actually had no reason whatsoever to buy new bottles, but I just wanted a change. You know, my children are outgrowing those really colorful ones, so I wanted to buy bottles that are neutral because they are getting older. And I gifted their old bottles to some of the children in our environment, and those children will use those bottles for a lifetime. Seriously, you can't go wrong with a Stanley bottle. And as for the safety, a lot of these cheap bottles actually have very cheap stainless steel, and they're not food grade, and they leach all sorts into your children's drinks, so you have to be very careful. All right, it's not just about longevity. These bottles are safer than the cheap stuff. Okay, so it's an investment. Go ahead and invest and thank me later. Oh my goodness. I got a gift. I got a quencher. I told myself I'm not going to bow down to the pressure. No, I'm not going to
have successfully Christian you, Abby.
I got a quencher with my name on it. I'm sorry.
No, you're allowed to scream.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're allowed to scream.
I got a quencher. Oh,
let's see.
This kind of gift is too much, no? I got a quencher and I got my name on it.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
My name is so beautiful.
Oh yeah.
quencher, you guys.
Or the original.
Original
only.
Hell.
Only.
Oh, this is so beautiful. This is so beautiful.
Am I there now?
Oh.
Okay.
So I have my own quencher.
Send me your account.
I told myself I'm not going to bounce the pressure. Everybody on TikTok has a quencher. Everybody is doing chocolate with their eyes like this.
And so they want to kill us with quencher.
This is so beautiful. Thank you very much, Mom. I'm a Stanley.
Stanley.
That should be your name. This is so beautiful.